This just ain't right, people. Oh, man. Look at that poor motorhome stuck in Kentucky. We could have been in Key West. Oh, man. We've got about, look at the icicles and our kayaks. It's killing me. Oh, Jesus. And so is that wind. Woo. We've got about maybe 8 inches of snow so far, with ice underneath. It was sleeting this morning. Oh, Ron did his best, got us all, motorhome all fixed up, and then we ended up having to have a propane issue. Whew, geez, that's cold. So now we're stuck in the snow in Kentucky. Well, this is the first in about probably 12 years that we've been stuck in Kentucky in the winter. Dang, this just ain't right, people. Whew. Oh, it's so friggin' cold. That wind's whipping and blowing. Ooh. Okay. I'm through whining. It's beautiful, but I'd rather be in Key West.